At inaasahan ko rin ang mga local government units, gaya ni Governor, yung mga city mayor, mga municipal mayors, para ayusin yung mga ilang kusot ng mga investors, kasama na rin yung mga investors ng build, operate, and transfer para sa ating mga importanteng expressway. Pero ang gusto kong pag-usapan ngayon, to reduce the cost of electricity in the urban beltway. PESA now offers reduced rates for the locators, and the implementation of open access awaits the consummation of the Kalaka investment in the power sector. Inaasahan natin na ito ay matapos ng Nobyembre. At ang hinihinay naman ng Kalaka ay yung desisyon ng Energy Regulatory Commission tungkol sa pwedeng ma-charge ng mga power generating plants. Earlier than this, we began the time of use method of computing power rates, along with the wholesale electricity spot market and Meralco's customer choice program and high load factor discounts for consumers that are consuming at least 5 megawatts. Loans of electric cooperatives have been condoned, and recently the ERC ruled that the system's loss recovery cannot be more than 8%. Mamaya sa ating cabinet meeting ay pag-uusapan rin kung paano pa tayo makakababa ng ating energy cost, lalo na para sa SME at para sa karaniwang Pilipino. Your government is doing everything in its power to put food on the table dahil ang busog na empleyado ay hindi parating hihingi ng aumento sa kanyang sweldo. And to protect the paycheck, therefore, from high prices and high inflation. We're also continuing to invest in our nation's system of healthcare, education, and social services. Because the relative strength and resilience of our people and our economy is still no consolation to the Filipino who has to pay higher prices for basic commodities. We're aware of the pressures you face from high prices and high rates of inflation. We know that you, especially those employees and professionals, are concerned about job security and the buying power of your wages and salaries. We are also concerned. That is why we are working hard to keep down the prices of rice, food, and fuel, and to increase the number of jobs and investments that will continue to generate high-paying employment opportunities for more of our countrymen. Kaya kami ng cabinet ay nagpunta dito dahil itong Expo ay malaking kontribusyon dito sa paghanap ng marami pang investment. Yun mga magsasaka naman, they're getting the investments they need. The government will continue its unprecedented support for agriculture via the Fields Program. NFA will buy 1 million metric tons from Filipino farmers compared to last year's less than 100,000 metric tons. In fact, sabi ni RT Yap sa akin, to date, 330,000 metric tons na ang nabili ng NFA compared to 30,000 the last time around. Sana ang ating magsasaka, dahil marami sa kanila, maganda ang presyong natatanggap mula sa NFA, ay magtanim pa ng higit pang palay. And with this, we expect inflation, which has started to come down even more. And the price of rice, which has started to come down, should go down even more. And with that, we expect the earning power of your workers and officers' paychecks to increase. Our economic team, eto si Peter, is working to rein in inflation. Kasi Peter is a member of the Monetary Board. And to monitor prices, yung nga ang trabaho niya kasama ng local government bilang DTI Secretary, and put the price manipulators out of business. He and we will continue to make spot checks in markets to make sure no one is taking advantage of their fellow citizens during this challenging time. Pero itong challenging time na ito ay nakakapag-expo pa rin ang Laguna. This expo, congratulations to all of you. This expo makes me optimistic about our future. It makes me optimistic about the hope, optimism, and resilience of the people of Laguna. Mahalagang layunin itong expo na patunayan ang kagalingan ng probinsyang Laguna bilang sentro ng pamumuhunan at negosyo. Nagsisilbi din siyang patunay ng kahusayan, kagandahan, kahandaan, at tibay ng loob ng mga taga-Laguna sa pagsulong ng kaunlaran. So for playing such an important role in our country's economy, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you.